When we EnviroMist, we use the cleantite ULV 500. It is a portable, handheld, battery-operated mister. The droplet size is very small, so you shouldn't have a lot of moisture dripping out of this machine. It comes out like a fine mist. To operate, you turn to the on position, and there are 3 settings: low, medium, and high. And it's basically the output. Low is just fine. You probably can operate at a low setting. Now, if you're doing a larger area, then you want to do the high. So larger rooms and you want to get done faster, you can use the high setting. Areas that you want to use this product on, first you have to make sure that these areas are already cleaned. You could apply it to doorknobs, you can apply it to door handles, cabinet handles, anywhere that's high touch areas. It's going to coat it with the probiotic solution. Also, fabric areas, anything that's not going to get damaged by moisture. It's a great deodorizer. Pet beds, garbage cans, sofas, rugs, bedding, and more. Just make sure you do not mist any electrical or battery operated devices like TVs and electronics. Avoid those areas at all costs.